Okay, so let me show you how you can get in the TikTok 1-minute growth program from anywhere in the world. It's kinda my expertise by now, and I've seen many videos on this topic that are almost a scam. But let me show you step by step what you should do, and you will spend very little money, almost no money compared to what the other YouTubers are telling you. And it is guaranteed that they're borderline scamming you. So first of all, instead of buying from those fishy websites they're suggesting with some kind of proxy, these websites buy a US TikTok account. I did my research and I found out some very fishy stuff. So there are two routes I would actually suggest. First of all is the one I've been preaching for since the beginning of this channel, is using a VPN.
I'm done.
With any account you create. You can create it yourself, use it for a few days and have a VPN without a SIM card, which is very important and nobody is talking about it. And no, you will not get shadow banned. This is a myth because I've never been shadow banned with any device I've used, and none of my 10 creator friends or even more who are using a VPN have been ever shadow banned. And most of them grew their accounts to over 100k, all with VPN by the way. But I would set it up for UK because if you do set it up for US, you will have to do some scammy things yourself to bypass the taxes and information you have to give to TikTok. And of course, after a few hours of using TikTok, you will be registered as say US account, and if not in a few hours, it might take a few days, but it's worth the wait. It costs I think $12 with ExpressVPN, and there are even free VPNs like Atlas VPN. Just don't use your SIM card and you'll be fine. If you change your SIM card very often, TikTok will think you are very sus, and then you might get shadow banned, or you could get punished and not be registered as a US account or UK account. The second route I would recommend is pretty much the same, but using a VPN and then buying an account but from Swapped, which is very different than buying from those US account and UK account websites. Because these are not promising you buying a US account, they're promising you to buy an account with a following. And you can ask the seller directly, you can chat with them with the help of middlemans, which are official middlemans by the website. I've used that website to sell and buy accounts multiple times. You just have to blindly trust me here, or just do your research. But I've been using it since I was like 17, I think. You just go there, find an account that's relatively cheap. Just if it is very cheap, watch out because it might be, you know, botted accounts. But usually these accounts are pretty authentic. Of course, there will be some scams here and there because the sellers are independent sellers. But yeah, just do your research. The second step is to use the same platform to buy an Instagram or YouTube account. The Instagram should be at 100k and the YouTube should be at 10k. You have to buy one of these two. Or one unethical tip I have for you is try using a panel, which a lot of people say that it doesn't work with the 1-minute growth program. But for example, with the creativity program, I used the panel like this on one of my accounts and it worked, but after a month, which is very weird. I bought some followers, I reached 10k, I was rejected at first, and then after a month or a few weeks, I was accepted again. Because if you have some momentum and you buy a few followers at a time, you know, one day buy 1,000 or 500 and so on, don't do it at once. And if you get rejected, you can reapply after a month or a few weeks. I think nobody else is talking about it because it was unethical until I did, in the TikTok community at least. And another thing you can use with the YouTube or Instagram account is actually rent in a way your account just to get in the program and then you return the account, but this should be from a friend or someone you know. It is an exception. If you have that person, good. Then step number 3, go to Google and type 1-minute growth program TikTok. And there you can see multiple links and you should try every link possible. Just make sure it is a legit link, tiktok.com. And these are basically invitations to the program. Some of them might not be working or might be expired. So try multiple of these links and go to YouTube and find other YouTube videos about this who have links in their descriptions with their invitations. I would have done it myself, but to be honest, I'm kinda lazy. And you can use everything I told you here to and apply it to creativity program and without buying an account if you don't want to. And actually for almost every other feature that requires you to be in another country or having an amount of followers in your account. This works for everything. You don't have to watch any other video ever in your life, except some of my videos of course. So if you did get something out of this, show some appreciation if you want to, obviously. I'm not gonna... So thank you for watching, see you over there, because it might be helpful for you, and have a good one.